The PLK A3 DTF printer with powder shaker and dryer is a cutting-edge solution designed to streamline and elevate the direct-to-film textile printing process. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. This printer is crafted to boost productivity with features tailored for professional and DIY t-shirt and textile printing businesses alike. One of its standout attributes is the automated powder shaker, which eliminates the need for manual powder application. This automation not only speeds up production but ensures consistent powder distribution, reducing waste and maintaining high print quality across bulk orders. For businesses aiming to optimize workflow and maintain stable output, this feature alone can be a significant game changer. The 2025 latest version of the PLK A3 printer features a powerful C13XP600 printhead capable of printing at double the speed compared to comparable models like the L1800 and L805. Printing at an impressive 500 mm superscript 2 per second in a resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi, this printer delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and professional-grade results every time. This speed and quality balance means you can meet tight deadlines without compromising on output, an essential factor for growing printing businesses. Additionally, the one-click ink setup removes the common frustrations related to ink handling. Entrepreneurs and operators will appreciate the clean and hassle-free ink loading process, allowing quick starts and minimizing downtime caused by spills or complicated setups. White ink circulation is another advanced feature integrated into this machine. The system automatically stirs and circulates white ink to prevent settling and clogging, which can be a common issue with DTF printing. This not only extends the lifespan of the printhead but also reduces maintenance interruptions, keeping your printer running efficiently for longer periods. Complementing the printing functions, the built-in paper cutter ensures clean, precise trimming of printed films. This integration saves manual labor, speeds up the finishing process, and enhances overall workflow efficiency. The printer is designed for user convenience with its smart touchscreen interface. This intuitive control panel makes navigation simple, allowing quick adjustments and settings management without requiring technical expertise. Furthermore, the printer's robust metal construction offers durability while maintaining a compact footprint, 13.4-inch dx 13.4 wx 30.7h, suitable for small studios or production environments. Weighing 110 pounds, it balances portability and stability well. Overall, the PLK A3 DTF printer is a comprehensive, high-performance device ideal for anyone looking to produce high-quality textile prints with enhanced speed, reliability, and ease of use.